Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Maureen. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I have another haul for you guys, and it's a Polo factory store haul and LoveShackFancy. So I'll have timestamps down below. But anyways, let's just get right into it. We'd start out with LoveShack. So as you guys know, I have lots of LoveShackFancy hauls. I'll have them linked down below. But I don't have a lot of warm items from them. So I decided to pick up a sweatshirt, which I love. And it has this cute little purple bow on it. And I'll show you guys that in the try on portion. It is so soft and it's just really nice. I know it's gonna be nice for like a Florida winter. For me, where I live in Florida, it typically only gets down maybe to the 40s as an extreme, but typically it's like the 60s. So this will just be a nice thing to wear when it gets a little bit cooler out. So next, keeping on the trend here, this is gonna be the Polo factory store, but this is also sweatshirts. As you guys have probably seen in some of my other hauls, if you haven't, I will have them linked down below for them. But I love the Polo bears, and so I like to be keeping my eye on those no matter what collection they're a part of, whether it's, you know, the factory, whether it's all the way up to like the other nicer collection from Ralph Lauren. I love the sweaters. So I picked this one up. I love this maroon color. That's one of my favorite colors to wear. I am a winter color, as you guys can probably tell. So I do love this color. I love the little bear on there. So cute. And so I decided to get this in a small just for a slouchier feel. So I'm typically like an extra or an extra small. So that's something to keep in mind when you're purchasing these. And next, keeping with that theme, another Polo bear, also a size small. And he is just so adorable in his little outfit. And I love the little sunglasses that he has on. And I also love to wear like this hunter green. It's one of my favorite colors to wear. So also keeping on theme for me as well. So that is everything that I got. I'm super happy that I got these. If you guys didn't already know, I lost my home in Hurricane Ian 3 years ago, and I lost the majority of my winter clothes. So it's nice to have some of these pieces that are nicer when it does get cooler in the winter. So I'm glad to have that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and comment down below what's your favorite clothing store to buy from, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my content. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.